Hello everyone, my name is Darshil Parmar and in this video we're gonna talk about top 5 freelancing websites that you can use to get some freelance work, and there is one surprise at the end of this video that you can use to get more freelance work out of these freelancing websites. So let's get started. Before jumping on to different freelancing websites, first let's understand different categories of freelancing websites that are available in the market. Number one is horizontal platforms and number two is vertical platforms. So difference between these two platforms are basically horizontal platforms are those where the clients are posting all the kinds of different work. No matter what skills you have, you will always find work for that skill. For example, these platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. On the other hand, we have vertical platforms. These platforms that can be specialized only for certain skills such as design, content writing, marketing, etc. In this video, we are mainly going to focus on horizontal platforms so you can find different work based on your different skill set. Now let's get started. Number one on the list, we have Fiverr or Fiverr, which is a gig-based platform. On a Fiverr, you can sell your services as a different packages. So no matter what your skills are, you can just write about the services you provide using that skill, such as if you are a web developer, then you can create different levels of service for it. You can sell any service from graphic design, digital marketing, writing, animation, programming, lifestyle and many more. It's pretty simple, just log into Fiverr and create your account. Once you create your account, then you can start selling your gig and provide different levels such as basic level, and you have to provide your basic services such as if you are a web developer, then you can write I will create a basic website for you in 3 days with different options, and you can also do standard and a premium service also. Once you create your services, the buyer will contact you. Then you can get on a call and discuss different requirements and start working on it. The goal of this video is to give you overview of different websites available in the market. I'm not going to deep dive into these websites, but if you want detailed video about this, then let me know in the comments. I will create that for you. Second platform on the list is Upwork and freelancer.com. Now these platforms comes into the horizontal categories also, and they are quite similar with each other, so we're gonna understand the difference between and which platform is better. Upwork and Freelancer are top 2 freelancing platforms available in the market. As a freelancer, it is important to select the right platform to work on because you will be building your entire reputation on single platform that can get you more work in future. Now let's divide different work opportunities available on these platforms. Number one is finding work. It does not matter which site you choose from these two. There are enough work available on both the sites, but important difference between these two platforms is the quality of work. Upwork is more professional and you will find quality clients compared to freelancer.com. Second thing is creating account. You can directly create an account on Freelancer, but on Upwork, once you create your account, you need to wait for approval because Upwork gets more than 10,000 signups every day, and they make sure that they choose right person on the site that can provide quality work. Number 3 is paying fees. These platforms are providing you work with the different opportunities. In the exchange for that, you will be charged some percentage of the fees that you earn from your projects. Upwork charges 20% on the first $500 you earn from single client. Then once you cross that amount, you will be charged 10% of your fees. And if you cross earning 10,000 with a single client, then they will charge 5%. So let's say you get a job on Upwork hourly based project and you make your first $2,000. They will take 20% of this amount from the first $500 you earn and 10% from the rest of the money, which is $1,500. On the other hand, on the Freelancer, for the fixed project, you will pay 10% fee or the $5, whichever is greater. For the hourly project, you will pay 10% fee. Number 4 is working with clients. The problem exists on both the platforms. Both have good clients and bad clients. Sometimes clients don't pay. This happened with me when I was working on freelancer.com and the client did not pay for my work. On Upwork, it never happened with me, but I've read some stories where different people get scammed or underpaid. It is important to pick good clients too who have verified payment methods. You can also look their past work and feedback from other freelancers. I will make detailed video about on this particular topic about choosing the right clients on this particular platform. Number 4 on the list is we have Toptal. While on Upwork and Freelancer you can get work from anyone, on the other hand, Toptal focuses only on the top talents available in the market. Toptal has its own process to select freelancer. First, you sign up on their website. Once you create your account, you will be interviewed by Toptal technical team based on your experience, and if you get selected, then you can get clients and start working. This site is mainly for people who got experience of minimum 2 to 3 years and are professional. And the last and one of the most important platform is LinkedIn. Now before you close your videos or jump onto LinkedIn or another video, first understand how LinkedIn can help you to get job or freelancing work easily. For most of the people, they use LinkedIn when they want to switch jobs, post their certification. But if you understand that people who are on these freelancing sites are also available on LinkedIn and trying to find freelancers, so if your profile is optimized properly, then you can easily come under the search list and get the work. I got so many opportunities from the LinkedIn because I have created my profile that way. Also, I post content that shows that I'm an expert in this field, that reflects my knowledge. In this freelancing series, I'm going to make detailed video about on this all the topics. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon to get the notification. And also if you're learning something new, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.